Southwest Airlines. Going towards Lafayette. He's making a circle.
That's what I said, the way he was turning around.
He's landing at Lafayette.
Well, he came from that way.
Uh-huh, they do
Maybe
that.
He passed it up.
They go around the airport so they...
What about my bike? Oh, you know what? The terminal probably just wasn't open.